Exe, this is Lily Shaonola from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. We call your partner and then we check if your partner is dating you or is cheating or yes, Jonja. And then you get the results same time. And if your partner is loyal, we give you 1,000 rand. And if your partner is cheating or yes, Jonja, unamakwapeni, all those things, you don't get anything, unfortunately. Stay tuned. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinase senzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
Hi, how are you? I'm good. My name is Lily Shaonolo. I'm from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships. So I want to give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. We want to just ask you a few questions and then we're going to call your partner. We ask him questions and then if we're loyal to you, asazi about you, I'm sure we're not loyal.
I'm loyal.
Loyal. Yeah, so siyabelieve ukuthi wena uloyal mara sifuna ufonela yena sitheke ukuthi wena uloyal. If yena uloyal sinika wena 1,000 rand.
Hayi ngiyamthemba loyal.
Uyamthemba?
Ngiyamthemba.
Okay, igama lakho ubani?
Elakhe.
Like igama lakho?
Elami Sanelisiwe.
Sanelisiwe. And umuntu wakho lakhe?
Yes.
Nithandana for how long?
Sine 5 years manje.
5 years? Wow. Okay. Did you guys have a baby? Okay. And when last did you see him?
Ngimbone Monday. Bengihlangane naye Monday.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you my phone. We're gonna type his number. Some phone, we're gonna ask him a few questions. Siyathemba ukuthi loyal. Wena uloyal?
Mina ngiloyal.
Okay, wa find out something about umuntu wakho, maybe akucheated or something.
Okay, wayenza leyo nto kayi-1 but
wathola kanjani manje?
ayondicaba like ndayibona efonini into yakhona mara zange last into yeviki nje kuphela.
Mawuthi ayocaba, what do you mean?
Ayonto serious into
Okay.
yabo.
Like bekwenzakalani kulokhu phone? Bebasendela namanuthi or babizana baby bathi ngiyakuthanda or bebathini?
Bahlangane la bahlangane khona ne.
Okay.
Bese banikeza ama-exchange amanamba. Ama-exchange amanamba kanjalo am-texta lo wami umuntu am-texta. Like bebekhuluma nje bengingasinto ye-serious. Bebekhulunywa nje.
Asange baya embedeni?
Abakayi embedeni bebesazoya. Mara if beningekayibhaqa. So ndiye ndayibhaqa before.
Okay. And then after that asange wabona next?
Azange ngiphinde ndibone next.
And usamthemba?
Ngisamthemba.
And umxolela for lento leya? Wenza into right. Cela ufaka amanamba wakhe. Yeah. Wow. Yabo abantu bayaxolelana guys. Niyaxolelana. Abafazi bayaxolelana vela. Yamnika mara, umnika.
Ndiyamnika.
Okay.
Kahle futhi.
Wenza kahle. Kahle futhi?
Kahle.
Okay, yeah, siyambongela mfowethu. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show here where we test the relationships. I'm with your partner. We want to ask you a few questions to test if you're loyal. I'm not going to take time. Yeah, umuntu wakho lana, we want to ask you a few questions. So, I'm sure you ask ukuthi sinobani and yeah, uzowina 1,000 rand manje.
Yo, mfethu, ufonela ngesinye isikhathi. Nawe yazi ngiyasho ukuthi ufonelwa isipali.
Okay, sorry, ngeke ngithathe isikhathi. 2 minutes I will be done, ne?
Aish, alright.
Umuntu wakho all light skin or dark skin?
Umuntu wami light skinned.
Okay, how long have you guys been together?
Since now 2 years manje.
Okay. A relationship ihamba kahle?
Yeah, ayikamnandi mfethu, ayikamnandi.
Okay. Is she tall or short?
Utall.
Okay, cool. Igama lakho, we say when last did you see her? Did you see her?
Sure.
You said when last did you see her?
Izolo.
Okay. And igama lakho ubani?
Uphamela.
Pamela.
Yeah, sure.
Ngubani uPamela?
Yo, kanti uwe.
Ndifuna ukwazi ngubani uPamela suthi kanti ndim ngubani uPamela?
Just come a little bit.
Suthi baby kum, ngubani uPamela thetha?
Lapha bekuye naphendulanga ifoni, ibhekazi ukuthi izofona.
Ukuba uphendulanga foni xa bekutheni? Ndibuza uPamela ngubani?
Awume kancane shi.
Nine 2 years wena noPamela, nine 2 years yonke wena noPamela.
Manje ufuna abantu abama-TV ukuthi bangifonele uzongibuza lento lezo.
Icacile mos ba ndindedwanga. Andindedwanga mos icacile mos lonto le.
Dala ngikutshela ukuthi nesikhathi sokudlala wena.
Ndinesikhathi sodlala sothini bendizawufind out kanjani ngoPamela? Bendizawufind out kanjani?
Hayi. Yafana nginika nini isikhathi sakho ngoba unasikhathi salona ama-excuse njalo bafuna ukubona uyacomplain awusithi.
Xa
Uthi ubona yini?
besi Monday besingadibena.
Cabanga ngigcine Monday namhlanje nini?
Phela awushadanga mfethu. Awushadanga. You can't want to see her every day.
Uyandiqhela wena uPamela udibene 2 years naye niqhela kakubi nalo Pamela wakho. Niyandiqhela.
So uPamela omunye umuntu. It's not that one that or uye.
Hayi nguyanga lo bendimbonile efonini uPamela. Ngubusi lo bendimbone efonini ayingoPamela.
Siyabona manje ngitshelile ukuthi ungakhuluma indaba zakudala wena njalo ama-chapter esiwavalile usabuyela kuwo wayenza kahle.
Uyabona uba ubukisa mna kuyo yonke le nto uyandijongisa kahle kahle.
Umxolele for the past. Ukhe wamxolela manje ufuna umxolele futhi.
Uyandigezela le nto endenzela yona.
So ufuna umxolele futhi.
Uqedile vele ngowazi ukuthi kunento eyifunayo vele manje nawe uyayithola enhle kanti
It's not even like it's not even sorry.
Awundiva.
awume kancane.
Ublame wena ukuthi wena awumenze isikhathi.
So ublame mna ba ndikunika isikhathi sakho andithini theni.
Angibheki wena bheki uzokhuluma nawe masihlangana usithi.
Awuzukhuluma nami xa sihlangana funeka iphele mayiphele kwangoku uzuqonda.
Manje uzeqede kuma-TV lo muntu masihlelana bekangekho. No ufuna umoshile le TV.
Ebengekho lo muntu kodwa kutheni uzondigezela ngoPamela ngoba noPamela uzondixelela ngoPamela.
Hayi. Ngitshelile ukuthi masinkinga kumele sikhulume lento lakho ukuthi uhlala ukhuluma nabantu yangibhora serious.
Uyandiqhela serious. Awundiva. Uyandiqhela.
Ukhuluma amanye mabheki ukhuluma amanye.
Suthi nyima bhebhi ntoni undigezela.
Hayi man.
Sundigezela sundinyela.
So
Ayikho lento ngikhuluma kuphela.
okay.
Ayikho into ubukhuluma kuphela kodwa uthi ne 2 years noPamela.
Uthi bana izolo. Ask if there is condom.
Okay, ubunoPamela ke izolo. UbunoPamela izolo nisebenzisile condom.
Hayi wani nje ngoba nje sikhuluma ngokulala wani uthi ngibekelayo ngoba yamshayela.
I-obvious lonto leyo nine 2 years yonke icacile kudala nilalana icacile.
Izolo kwayizolo ngithe ngifuna ukubona zana nge-excuse wena.
Izolo bendibhizi bengazuyeka into bendibhizi ngayo ngenxa yakho.
Oh, so if wena busy izolo and
Yena uthathe i-chance yoba makaye kuPamela.
usho ukuthi wena ma ungekho available uPamela uyangena. iPamela yini i-replacement yakho or on standby ma wena ungekho. Ama-side kanjalo vela. Umenchiki ma when it's not available.
So ufuna ukwenza i-excuse apha ngenxa yoba ubhaqiwe noPamela ufuna ibe ngathi ngoku ndihambe ndifana nawe mna.
Ngiyakubuza hlangana phi nalo muntu lo.
Ungenaphi wena
Khulumani ukuze ngimfonele.
Ungenaphi?
So umfethu, are you gonna apologize about Pamela?
Nobo apologize la ndizovuma apology yakhe.
Ukhuluma naye manje, khuluma uqede. Khuluma manje uqede.
Uyandiphela lo uyandigezela.
Ngizohlangana nizombona amase.
Uyandigezela ennyela.
Ebisizokhuluma.
Andizuthetha nawe.
Uzodlula ngalapho kuwe.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, before stop le call, are you apologizing about Pamela?
Futhi ngizoapologize.
Apologize manje. If no, melo apologize manje.
Ngapologize ngenkani manje.
Yeah, melo apologize ngengane. Angithi uchithe ngengane.
Yabona ba akafuni kwa apologize na kwasithi ngenkani. Awufuna apologize?
Imagine uthi ngengane.
Yabona ufuna ingathi uyafastwa ngoku.
How? Who wants to apologize ngengane mara? It means you're not apologizing.
Ngoku xa kwayintoni uthetha? Xa kwayintoni uthetha ngoku?
Lo ufakazani? Ufakazani izinto ekhulumayo?
Ndithetha nawe xa kwayintoni uthetha wena ngoku?
Makancane. Angithi ngisho ukuthi ngizokubona. Namhlanje kakhulu.
Bhuti uyaninyela lo. Undiqhela kakubi.
My sister, my brother.
Qhela kakubi.
We give you one last chance. Are you gonna apologize or not?
Askisi baby.
Suthi nyaskisi.
Askisi for yini? Askisi for yini?
Askisi for ukhuluma ngegama elirong.
Igama elirong. Ligama elirong okanye nguphamela umuntu wakho?
Askisi ke ukhuluma ngayo.
This is not apology. You must apologize properly or apologize for yini. Apologize now. We are listening properly. We apologize for yini.
So le 5 years yonke le yethu iphele ihambe emoyeni nje iphelele emoyeni.
Mamela.
Suthi mamele.
Ungakazi baby, ungakazi.
Ndibuza le 5 years yonke le yethu besispenda together iphelele emoyeni.
Oh Jesus.
Oh Jesus.
Suthi oh Jesus.
Ngoshayisa ngomoya. Solo kwathi sathi ngoshayisa ngomoya yahamba uyabuya ukhuluma nami mina manje ngiyenzini.
And he hasn't answered ukuthi bayasebenzisa condom nalo sisi or not.
Uyabona ba ke niphendulanga.
Phendula ukuthi bosebenzisa condom nalo sisi.
Mfethu manje ufuna ungena kuphi endabeni zami za.
Uyisebenzisile ikhondom na ewe kanye hayi iphendula umbuzo cha.
Ngeke nale nomuntu ongasebenzisa ikhondom kanti uthatha
Lina 2 years. Oh so uyavuma ukuthi ulalile uyisebenzisile.
Ayisho mfethu yabona xa ngisho ukuthi wena uyangimoshela lezi zinto zibe
So mina bendisisibhanqa yonke le 2 years yonke mina koko bendisisibhanqa mina. I2 years yonke kunqa.
And uyamthemba ukuthi uyisebenzisa ikhondom. Uyamthemba ukuthi uyisebenzisa.
Andimthembi ayingomuntu oyithandayo nekhondom lo muntu lo.
Ngiyisebenzisa manje isibheki uzobona tu.
So balale ngangaki? Balale ngangaki?
Nilale kangaphi?
Uyabona manje hayi.
Phendula umbuzo nilale kangaphi? Phendula umbuzo cha.
Angazi.
Awazi caba kunikaninzi.
Eka ninyawo nawe.
Ewe suthi hayi nami unilale kaninzi kudala niqhuba noPamela ndimnandi nento kaPamela.
Ngishiya isikhathi esingakanani? Ngishiya isikhathi esingakanani ngazi ukuthi wenzakalani ngithina ma. Wamshiya nje.
Uyayazi ireason yoba mandithini mandikushiye uyayazi ireason yalonto.
Niyazi ma kumele ngenzeni ke mina sonke leso sikhathi.
Qhubeka noPamela wa.
Bafuna ukubona izolo and you were not available. You never
Makaqhubeke noPamela wakhe.
uyamshiya.
Makaqhubeke noPamela wakhe. Idrop ebut.
Ngiyangithanda wena.
Qhela kakubi.
Hamba. Suka. My sister. Or like it's so organize like counseling ne. 5 years is a lot. I believe that you definitely need it. Kalo ucheki moto mfethu. 5 years is a lot. So I believe what you're gonna need counseling. I'm gonna talk to my team via arrange counseling, ne?
Is I think.
Yeah. Please stand here, stand this side. Yeah, bazokwa attend. Guys, this is the end of the episode. My brother is a liar, and I tried by all means to push him to apologize. If he didn't want to apologize, I tried to save the relationship, but clearly he's not interested and busy in side chick. I'm a side chick as almost a relationship bueno. If you guys don't take notes, as almost a relationship. Just subscribe. Thank you.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungihlanyisa wena don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina. Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I am stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?